What's up, you guys? Matt here with Texas Edge Home Inspections, and today I want to talk to you about roof ventilation. There's several different types of roof ventilation. The one that I'm dealing with today is something called a passive air hawk. There's nothing forcing air through this ventilation. It just comes into the attic space and then exits through the attic space. What you want is upper and lower ventilation. It's called cross ventilation in an attic space. But really what I'm getting at today is some vents that were not installed properly. So I'm going to take you up on the roof and show you what I saw. Before I get up there, let me quickly show you a properly installed passive air vent. Here's an example of a properly installed passive air hawk, albeit a different style than one I'm going to show you in a minute. The shingles you can see are laying over the flange. This will properly shed water, and it's nailed at the bottom, and the nail heads are caulked over. Now here's some, if you notice, that look a little bit different. The flange is not sitting underneath the shingles. This is not the only one on this roof. We have another one over here. There's actually some more on the back. So the biggest problem that we're dealing with here is that the flange is not laid underneath the shingles. This leaves a perfect place for water to go underneath the vent and into the hole in the attic space. Prior to inspection, I was told that this house was ready to move in. That is clearly not the case. This looks like it was an oversight on the builder's part. So we're going to put this in the report and have them come out here and get this roof ventilation fixed so this attic space is properly ventilated. Okay guys, Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections. I'm going to finish inspecting this property. Give me a call so I can inspect your next house. Bye now. Hey you guys, thanks for watching. Please feel free to like and share, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, head on over to YouTube and hit subscribe.